What's up, everybody? Out here, gonna get some fishing in before work. Gonna start off with a little blade bait action. Throw this one on a spinner rod today. Oh my God, what is this? Oh, this is big. What is this? Oh my God, he's strong. Oh, that's a big bass. That's a good bass. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's good. That's a good one. Oh God, yo. Yo, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Yes! Oh yeah. That's what we're after, y'all. That is a stud. Look at him, boys. Oh, that is a fat pre-spawn bass. We're gonna get a good weight on this one. Oh yeah. Oh, has him falling down. Wow. I knew they were gonna bite. I knew it. That might be 3.5. Whew. Alrighty, pounds. Oh, super close to 3.
Good catch.
2 3/4. Really close to 3. He's pushing it. He's getting close. 2 3/4, y'all. Bass. Yeah, good.
How many pounds?
2 pounds and like 2.75. There we go, y'all. That's a good start for the day, especially after being skunked for so many days. Oh, I'm so jacked up right now already. And then there's a release. Wrong way. Other way. Other way. Okay. I don't know what he's doing. Nope. Go that way. There we go. That is a good 2 3/4. Whew, he nailed that. Oh. Got hit again. Oh, there we go. Oh, God. That's another strong one. This isn't a bad one. Oh, that's a really good one. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's a better one. That is a better one. Oh my God, that's a much better one. He's barely hooked. He is barely hooked, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God, he is barely hooked. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. This is a crazy day. 2 good ones so far. Ooh. That's not the same one. That is a nice one. Look at that. Look at him. That's another 2.5 pounder. Another 2.25, y'all. 2.25. Woo! Damn. Sitting about 5 pounds for 3 fish at this lovely pond. Look at him, y'all. Okay. I will take that any day. We're gonna put him back in. Heck yeah. Whew. Let me just show you the bait I'm using, y'all. Nothing crazy. So right here, we just have this. Okay, I gotta get in the light. We just have this gold blade bait. I think this is one of the Bass Pro ones, but I think it's 1/4 ounce or 3/8 ounce. Yeah, absolutely killing them right now. Whew. Gotta get right back out there. They're not that far off the bank right now. They are definitely moving up. That was cool. I felt that fish bite, miss it. Ooh, 5. Oh, wait, that's a little over 5 pounds. It's 5.5 pound. Sitting at 5.5 pounds for 3 fish right now. Not bad, especially for this lake. This is the best I've done out here in a while. fish made me bleed my own blood. Leave a comment in the description if you know what movie that is. I mean, a comment in the description, because that's YouTube. You can all just write descriptions on people's videos. Comment in the comments. Leave a comment in the comments if you know what movie that is from. You made me bleed my own blood, Lafleur. Is it Lafleur? Peter Lafleur. Oh, there's another one. This feels like a trout. Oh no, it's another good bass. It's another really good bass. What is going on, y'all? What is going on? Oh. Oh no. 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 He came off. Ah. He was just sitting there. Oh my God. Ah. Go, boys. Feels decent. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, he swallowed it. Choked it. Woohoo. Here we go. Damn. He ain't going nowhere. I gotta get some pliers. Gotta zero it out. One and a quarter. All right, so we have 2 3/4. And this, buddy always bleed, we gotta get him in. Alrighty. 6.75 pounds so far. It's 3 fish. Oh, there is one. There's another one. Feels pretty small. Oh, snagged him. That's why he felt so big. Sorry, little buddy. Little boy. Well, everyone, just caught another fish. Wasn't recording. Caught him on a jerkbait. stay down. Get on. You still? Yeah, I just switched. I was fishing the Bass Pro Gold blade bait. I've caught two 3¼ ones, and then I caught a 2-pounder, and then a couple 1.5s, and then I switched this jerk. And
today?
Yeah.
On a gold one?
Yeah. I've literally been casting right here. Where you were standing right over there earlier, like I was fishing the what is it?
What's up, y'all? Just got finished blah blah blah. What's up, y'all? Just got finished fishing out in a little local lake in Maryland by my house. Ended up being what's up, y'all? It's your boy. No, it's not. What's up, y'all? Thank you for watching Go Catch 'em Fishing. That is me, Jesse, your boy. We just got done fishing at a little local lake in Maryland near my house. Ended up being an amazing day of fishing because the past couple days have been absolute garbage. So that's good. Thank goodness. But yeah, we ended up catching them on a blade bait. We caught a few on a jerk bait. One, I didn't have the video recording, so just trust me, I guess. But yeah, couple pretty good ones. Lost a really nice one, probably close to 2 pounds, but I believe our 3 fish total weight, ABA co-angler rules kind of thing, 15 inches. I assume they were all 15 inches, but yeah, about 6.75 pounds. Not too bad for this little pond. But yeah, ended up being a pretty good day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, it's gonna have a lot of videos coming out soon. I have a tournament on Saturday, the first tournament of the season, an ABA Open on the Potomac River. It's gonna be fun. We got a nice warming trend coming. Today I believe is 60 to 65. Tomorrow is gonna be high 60s, and then we have a day in the 70, like hitting 70, high 60s. And then Saturday I think is aiming around 50 to 55, so it's gonna be cool that day. But hopefully this warm weather kind of has them moving up a little bit, getting feeding. Hopefully can put together a nice 3-fish bag and hopefully bring home a trophy. But yeah, stay tuned for that video, and again, thank you for watching, y'all. Have a good one. Ka-chow.